Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need admin rights and a quick backup of your wallpaper file and theme settings. Once done, identify where the theme wallpaper comes from, a theme app, system theme engine, or a registry/plist entry. Open Settings or the theme application and stop any active theme service. Make sure no theme process is locking files. Once the theme is paused, locate the wallpaper file path and note its name. This prevents accidental deletion and prepares you for the precise removal steps that follow. Start by deleting or replacing the wallpaper file at the identified path. If a theme app supplied it, use the app's uninstall or disable option. For Windows, open Registry Editor and remove only the theme wallpaper key you identified. For Mac OS or Linux, edit the appropriate plist or config file. Once entries are removed, set a static wallpaper through Settings or copy the original default image back to the system folder. Make sure file permissions allow the system to read the new image, then proceed to refresh the desktop. After removal, refresh the desktop. Restart Explorer or your window manager, or reboot the device to ensure changes take effect. Clear any theme or wallpaper cache and confirm the new image has correct read permissions. Once done, open Settings and verify the static wallpaper is active. If the themed wallpaper returns, check for hidden background services, scheduled tasks, or synced profiles. Make sure the theme app is fully uninstalled. A common fix is to reapply the default system theme, then reboot. That usually resolves stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.